to a brand new video, and they don't see you. And today I'm gonna be making some slime. And here I'm going to
we're in my room, by the way. So
here we have some Elmer's glue.
A gallon.
We also have a gallon and another.
No, we only have two.
Well, yeah,
and I bought them. That's what I'm going to pour in the amount.
Yeah.
That's my science book. Be careful.
I was studying. But anyways, so here we have some Elmer's glue. Just take it aside.
Yeah, let me pour it in. It's mine. Let me pour it in.
Tell me who's talking.
No, let me pour it in.
So you're just gonna pour in a certain amount.
I gave you a lot.
I did, but okay. So now all you're gonna do is you're gonna get like some kind of straw and or whatever you want to use, a fork, and you can go ahead and now mix it. Now you're gonna take some water, and you'll see that you just
only
use the cap and pour it in.
That makes right away.
Yeah.
I taught him, by the way.
Yeah, she taught me.
By the way, I sell slime. So
yeah. Okay, so here now we really mix it. Okay. Now what you do is you take more water and go ahead and now add the slime. Add the borax to the water.
I'll mix it.
Now what you're going to do is you want to take your straw and you want to get as little glue as possible. Now you can go ahead and take your water and some borax, and you want to mix it
until it has bubbles.
Yeah, no. Mix it until you'll see bubbles forming. Okay. She's telling me everything. So now once you have bubbles forming, can you stop? Once you'll see that you have bubbles forming, my assistant.
Okay, get only a little bit.
No. My assistant here is going to pour it in for me, and I'm just going to go like this a lot.
That's it.
Now here.
It's going to be stringy. And now, now stop it and add a pump and a half.
Then I'm going to take some shampoo.
Pantene conditioner.
Have one pump.
And a half.
And a half.
Now mix it sideways so it doesn't have like little bumps that conditioner has.
Yeah.
Here's food coloring. Do you want green or yellow? Green or yellow?
I don't care right now.
Okay. Yellow.
It's already like
stringy.
Yeah.
So now let's add. Do you want to add borax? No. Yeah, add a little bit borax solution.
You want to add some?
No, let me add like that. There we go.
Here, you'll see. Start getting slimy slime.
Add in the food coloring now.
Now you're gonna add in some food coloring. Yeah.
It's a lot of food coloring.
I like mine yellow. And you'll see you got some slime forming.
Stringy. Let me add more water.
Get some more water. Add some more shampoo.
No, it's gonna make it hard.
You should do the opposite, too.
I don't know, whatever you want.
Okay, I'm gonna add one more shampoo. Pump.
Like half of it.
Yeah, I did. Okay, here you got your slime.
Ew, look at this kid. He did such a horrible job.
Here you got your slime.
Are you sure they're not?
No, wait. Here you have your gooey patootie slime.
You're cleaning that yellow thing.
This was always here. I didn't even like set this down. Here you'll have. See, you made some slime. Go ahead and play around with it until.
Show them mine.
Wait. Go ahead and play around with it until.
Mine's orange.
Sure, I don't care. Here you'll see you successfully made slime. And here in this test, sound test. You want to? Can I do a sound test?
Yeah, you want. You better go on it. You can't even see.
I know. I'm doing this.
Yeah, that's enough, dude.
I know.
More than you thought.
Okay, let's do some time. Do it for me. Oh my god. Yeah.
Can I show them mine?
Yeah. So this is successfully. Here's my scissors.
This is mine. Make sure they can see. Mine's better.
Okay, successfully still made it. So yeah, guys. Peace out, little noodles.